Welcome back to another episode of the PlanetScale Changelog. This week, we're bringing you 5 PlanetScale product updates, plus a new segment at the end covering PlanetScale around the web. First, we've added a powerful new metric to Insights. The Insights dashboard now includes a % runtime column that shows you exactly how much of your total query time each query pattern is consuming. This metric calculates each query pattern's total time as a percentage of all queries running against your database. So instead of just seeing raw query counts or average times, you can now instantly identify which queries are actually impacting your database performance the most. To see which of your queries are the worst offenders, head to your Insights dashboard where you'll see the new % runtime column automatically populated. You can sort it to show queries with the highest percentages and start tackling improvements to those queries first. Next, another Insights update. You can now filter insights by statement type. This is especially useful when you're troubleshooting performance issues and need to determine if a specific type of operation, like bulk inserts or updates, is causing the problems. To use it, just type statement type along with the type of statement you want to see into the Insights search bar, and we'll filter down to only those queries. You can also combine the search to focus on a specific table. So for example, statement type update, table posts. And next up, we've improved the database connection experience with role selection. The database connection page in the dashboard now clearly lets you choose between connecting with a default role or creating a new user-defined role. The default role has elevated privileges and full database access, which is great for initial setup and creating additional roles, but you should not connect your database to your application servers with the default role. Instead, you can create additional roles with fine-grained permission settings for this purpose. User-defined roles let you follow the principle of least privilege by granting only the specific permissions your role needs. And next up, you can now deploy PlanetScale for Postgres databases in select GCP regions. This is of course useful if your application infrastructure already runs on Google Cloud and you want to keep your database in GCP as well. And for the last update, we now have AWS PrivateLink support for Postgres, providing private connectivity that keeps all traffic within the AWS network. This means your database connections never traverse the public internet, which can be valuable for enterprises with stricter compliance requirements. PrivateLink is available on all plans at no additional cost on the PlanetScale end. We have a long guide in our documentation covering how to enable it. And now for our new segment, PlanetScale around the web. This week we saw some great mentions from the community. Brian Scanlon from Intercom shared that running on PlanetScale added a 9 to their uptime. In case you missed it, Intercom moved a number of their critical databases from Aurora to PlanetScale's Vitesse product. We're huge fans of Intercom over here, so this really made my day to see this. We also saw a nice shout out from Lee Rob and VMG from Cursor. They recently moved some huge databases from AWS Limitless to our Vitesse product to solve some reliability and performance issues. It's been really great working with them, and we're also huge fans of Cursor, so this was great to read. Anyway, that's all for this week's updates, and I'll see you next week. Bye.